Hello friends, this is Sai Phanindra from SQL School and happy to introduce Azure AI and Gen AI, a practical implementation level step-by-step training program to upskill your resume, to reshape your resume. We have been into this training service for more than 2 decades with various MNCs and ISO certified organization to prove our process and to ensure complete practice-oriented real-time experience trainings. Azure AI and Gen AI. In this particular course, we have 7 modules of learning process and more importantly, implementation level, skill set level, 5 different modules to suit your profile. Data engineers, database developers, BI developers, database administrators, data scientists, ML engineers, how you and me can use AI to our existing skill set. I know you are looking for this kind of training, right? Yes, we are here. Let's put all our skill sets with AI and Gen AI and market our resume for a better price. And more than that, before that, let's secure our job. Yes, this is the time to upskill ourselves. This is the time to reach SQL School for a live demo and we'll meet you there. Reach us today and reshape your resume. Thank you so much. We'll be waiting for your call. We'll be waiting for your message. Let's talk more about AI and Gen AI. Thank you once again. Have a nice time. Bye-bye. Thank you.